our very first substitution is natural log of x is t, which gives us 1 over x dx is dt. So we are going to solve this integral, which is integral of tan cube of natural log of x over x. After making the first substitution, we get integral of tan cube of u. So I can write tan of u as sine of u over cos of u, which gives us integral of sine cube of u over cos cube of u. Now I can write sine cube of u as sine of u times sine square of u. Also, sine square of u can be written as 1 minus cos square of u. Our next substitution is cos of u is t, which gives us minus sine of u du is dt. Now let us make the second substitution. From this we get 1 minus t square over t cube times minus dt. On simplifying this, we get integral of t square minus 1 over t cube, which is integral of 1 over t minus 1 over t cube. Now this is just natural log of t plus half times 1 over t square plus c, and now we back substitute the values of t, so we get this. Now note that in the second term we have cos of u to the power minus 2, which is just secant square of u. So now we substitute the values of u as well, which is natural log of x, and we get this. So our final answer is presented on the screen. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you want to see more of math animations. Thanks for watching and bye.